Whoa. Guys, I have a new gadget to show you and it's here. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, so the new gadget is this. I'm already wearing it and this is the Ultrahuman Ring Air. Let's talk about it. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and in this video I'm going to share with you my honest review and opinion about the Ultrahuman Ring Air after using it for almost a month now, okay? So this is the ring. And according to them, this is actually the world's most comfortable and most compact smart ring that can monitor our sleep, our move, and also our recovery. But before I share with you my honest opinion, I just want to tell you that this ring actually acts as a tracker, just like how our smartwatches track our movement, our vitality, our health, our sleep, and everything else, okay? So just in case if you don't have a smartwatch or you don't want to wear anything except a ring, you are still able to track everything, including your heart rate at all times. So this is actually a gadget that you can wear all the time, and it's very low key because most of the time when I'm wearing it, nobody knows that I'm actually wearing a tracker in my hands. So design wise, I feel that it looks very low key like what I mentioned just now, because the color that I got is actually matte grey, okay? It comes in multiple colors. If you want it to be more high key, more obvious, you can probably opt for like the silver or like the gold version, okay? But this one definitely fits my style and I love it a lot. This is actually 2.4 grams only, so when you're wearing it, you actually won't feel that you're wearing a gadget. So I like the design and also I like how light it is. So if you check out the inside, we can actually see all the components because it's transparent, and inside here there is actually a PPG sensor, okay, that measures our cardiovascular health. Apart from that, there's also a 6-axis accelerometer to precisely measure our movement. For example, how far we have walked, how far we have run, and also can track our movement when we are working out. So once connected with the Ultrahuman app, we can actually see all the data within the app, okay? And the first thing that they usually show us in the morning or whenever we check the app is the sleep index, whereby it will show us how much we have slept and whether it is enough or not, okay? And then they will always show us like a meter thing so that it's easy to understand, and you can also tap into all this data to further understand all the information that they have tracked, okay? Like for example, they will also show like the sleep stages, deep sleep, light sleep, REM sleep, and stuff like that, okay? And you can also learn how to improvise your sleep by some tips that the app will share with you as well. I really like the sleep tracking because it is very low key and it is quite precise, I would say. I don't know because I'm already asleep. I'm only depending on the data here to know how good my sleep is, okay? So apart from that, there's also like movement index. So it will show me steps that I've taken every day, active hours, how many hours in a day, and stuff like that, including total calories, okay? There's also a lot more information that we can see. For example, our skin temperature, okay? And inside the app, there's also other tabs that we can see. There's also one tab that I really like, whereby it will actually show us how to analyze our body strength and improvise by doing certain workouts. They also share lessons and tips, okay? And it's very visual, so I really like visual stuff. They also have videos to show us as well, like for example Pilates and stuff like that, okay? So in my opinion, I really like this ring because of the design, of how light it is. I like how easy it is to connect to the app that tracks a lot of our information, and if you're using the iPhone, it also syncs to Apple Health, so you are actually, you know, having like a synchronized database. And other than that, I also like that they share with us tips and tricks on how to improvise our life. Battery wise, that's the most important part, okay? According to their website, we can actually use this after one charge for 6 days, okay? And it is quite true. Based on my usage, I usually just charge it once a week. Sometimes if I bring it to travel, I actually forgot to bring the charger. It will probably not track anymore after a week, so remember to always bring a charger because you probably will need to charge it at least once a week, okay? And the charger is very small. You can actually bring the charger anywhere with you, and it also plugs to the power using USB Type-C, which is very convenient. So if you're looking for a tracker to track your movement, your sleep, your health or vitality, your skin temperature and stuff like that, and also hoping to improvise your day-to-day health, you can probably check out Ultrahuman Ring Air, which is what I'm wearing now, okay? And if you don't have a smartwatch, this is the perfect gadget for you. Also, they are running Black Friday sale now, so you can also check out all the details below and click on the link to go straight to their website to know pricing and stuff like that, okay? So if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button below, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next one. Yo.